Hello, thanks for being in a brand new video. Let me tell you what I liked most and least about the Xiaomi Redmi 13C in case you're considering buying it. So, as always, let me tell you, don't buy the Xiaomi Redmi 13C without watching this video. Let's consider its launch price in Mexico, which has been 3,699 pesos. At the outset, I anticipate that this is quite a high price considering the features of this device. Surely, if you are from another country, you will be scared with the prices we have in Mexico. At this price, I would not recommend you to buy it. If you find it much cheaper, maybe we could forgive it several things that we did not like. However, also by way of protest of these prices in Mexico, let me start. Let's start with what I like the most. It has a good layout and is available in several colors, so it can be relatively easy to find it in any online store or physical store, and with several options for you to choose the one you like the most. It integrates a reading mode that does cause the screen to give a more comfortable viewing. Although there are other devices that also integrate similar modes of visual rest, but in this case I think it is well implemented. It also has a 10-band equalizer available even without headphones connected. Believe me, there are more expensive devices that don't offer you equalizer or offer it only when you have headphones connected. But this device does give you good customization options for your sound. The fast motion mode can be set from 4 to 1800x speed. That is, with this you could record spectacular landscapes or even the growth of some plants. It is promised 2 years of Android updates and 4 years of security patches. Normally in the entry range, manufacturers do not usually have a good update policy, so in this case, despite not being the best, it does have something positive. The lock screen, you can customize it in a very intense way, so not only are you going to change the wallpaper, but you can also change the style of this wallpaper and how the clock adapts. You can have different dials and change them easily, so it's a very nice point. On the software level, it gives you good security options such as secure folder, app lock, hide apps, and other things. It is also able to project your screen in an advanced way to hide notifications on projection or project with the screen off. And finally, we all know that Xiaomi has a tremendous ecosystem of devices. Although in this case the advantage is only the large number of devices it has, because it does not yet have such advanced interaction. However, they are on the right track. Let me tell you now what I definitely didn't like. It only has one microphone. So you would imagine that audio capture is very simple, and you are right. Also, in case you get to cover that microphone accidentally, absolutely all the sound will stop coming in. Despite having a 50 megapixel camera, you don't really get to take advantage of it either in detail or when zooming in and out. So please consider that it only has a 12 megapixel camera. It seems to be 50 megapixels of pure marketing in this case, and in the test I did taking macro shots, oddly enough with the main camera the picture came out exaggeratedly pale with a very strange color treatment, so I think if your priority is photos, it's not a good choice. The one-handed use mode only adapts vertically. This is something I personally don't like because it's still very complicated to reach the areas on the other end of the screen horizontally. In addition, it doesn't have gesture navigation, split screen, scroll capture, or floating ball, which are usually options that come by default on many Android devices. They are not even advanced or additional options. That's why I really emphasize their absence. In fact, it doesn't have Google Extended Unlock either. It only has Xiaomi's Smart Unlock feature, but it's reserved when you're using Xiaomi Bluetooth devices. In the box, you get nothing more than a 10-watt charger, and with this charger, it takes more than 2.5 hours to charge. Definitely that the experience is very basic in this regard, although fortunately it supports a little faster charging, but that other charger you should buy separately. And if your priority is gaming, you will notice that this device gets very hot and the performance is quite low. But definitely here the main problem is that Xiaomi competes against Xiaomi. That is, if you want to buy a Xiaomi at this price, it is much better to buy the Poco M6 Pro that will have practically the same benefits as this device and improves on many other options. If you already bought it, let me know how much it cost you. I hope they didn't sell it to you too expensively. For now, we have come to the end of this video. If you liked it, you know you can let me know. See you next time.